What's the meaning of Act of Parliament? Act of Parliament. 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 An Act of Parliament is a law passed by the UK legislative body, which is the Parliament. It is a formal and legally binding document that sets out rules, regulations, and policies that affect individuals or groups within the country. Acts of Parliament are typically the result of debates and discussions among members of Parliament, and they can cover a wide range of topics, from taxation to healthcare. Once an Act of Parliament is passed, it becomes the official law of the land and must be followed by all citizens and institutions. Failure to comply with an Act of Parliament can result in legal consequences such as fines or imprisonment.